So guys, this is using the camera that faces the screen. The other footage was the other camera facing the other way. Alright guys, so this is the video footage. Let's see if you can zoom. No, you can't zoom once the video started. Welcome back guys to another unboxing video. So today we're checking out this digital mini SLR camera. So it's for children. It says 3 and older. A fun and practical camera. So let's go over a couple things. Self-compensation, flash, sticker, rotational focus, 2.4-inch screen, timed shooting, double shooting, and you can get multiple colors from the listing, so check it out guys. So I'm curious to check this out and see how it looks. Alright, so you lift this up here and there's a manual and some decals. So some cool little stickers here. Nice little manual. Looks like an accessory box. So this is probably the charging cable. Looks like there is a camera strap as well that they give you. Let's check this out. This is pretty cute. I mean, this is pretty cool, guys. That is awesome. Check this out, guys. So it's like rubber, silicone. It's soft. That is pretty cool. Buttons on the top, screen on the back. All right, so let's access this compartment. All right, so they give you a TF card already in here. And it looks like there's an on and off button. Oh no, that could be a reset. We'll have to see here. Let's see what that. We'll have to see what there's a button inside, and you also charge it inside here with the cable. It is a Type C, so you know it's an updated cable. And we just push this back in. It looks like it's fairly waterproof. Obviously it's not waterproof, but I'm saying, you know, water splashes on it. It looks like it would bounce off pretty good. Looks like the lens rotates. I'm not sure if that is. Yeah, does this come off? I don't think so. I don't know if that's functional or what, but we're gonna see. We press and hold the power button, which is right on the front or the back, depends on how you look at it. And the screen opens up, as you guys can see. So it does make a sound as you're turning. So let's see here. Okay, that's the zoom. Wow, you can zoom in really far. Wow. So I'm going to show you guys photos and videos of this if it takes videos. It might not take any videos. We'll have to see. So I'm going to show you photos and if it takes videos, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. We are back. So final thoughts are, this is actually pretty cool. If you press this under photo, when you're on photo mode and you press that red button, it's actually a 3-second countdown timer. I mean, there's so much you can do with this. It is crazy, the different things that you can do. So overall, it is very impressive. And again, we haven't even touched half of what you can do. So that is pretty awesome, guys. And guys, I just realized that there is actually a front camera as well as, you know, front and back. So we're going to record some footage with that as well. So guys, this is using the camera that faces the screen. The other footage was the other camera facing the other way. So as you guys can see here, you know, if we so guys, this is the camera facing me. The other footage was the camera that faces outward. This camera is the one that faces you. So this is the one that's on the side of the screen. And this is it. So as you move, if I move this, so moving this camera around, up, down. So up and down, it looks like it might be an issue. Side to side doesn't look too bad. And obviously holding still is going to be the best. So overall, seems pretty cool, guys.